Hey guys, I'm Lillian and this is Evelyn, my little sister. So today, me and my little sister Evelyn are going to do a makeup tutorial for you guys. Okay, so let's get... So these are the products that I'm going to use. So this is butter gloss, and I don't know what color it is, but it's kind of like a dark pinkish. So grayish, dark pinkish. Grayish, pinkish. So this is the palette of eyeshadow I'm actually going to use. I'm only going to use like 2 shades, one for the bottom and one for the top. Here, this is another eyeshadow. Some of it I'm going to use for different makeup, but these are all the makeups. This is all the stuff I'm going to use. Very messy because I use it a lot. Not a lot, but Evelyn, my little sister, she gets into it. This is all the tools I'm going to use, and I'm also going to use this brush. So first we're going to use the butter gloss. Good job. Okay. Now go like. Now I'm going to use this eyeshadow. Can you close your eyes, please? So I'm going to use... Is it blue? No, it's not blue. I'm going to use Silver Lighting. Okay? Silver Lighting? That's a weird name. It's... Alright, next I'm going to do the Escape. It looks really pretty. It's like blue with yellow. I'm going to use this color. It's like a lightish, I don't know what color it is, but it's kind of pink. Yeah, it's kind of pinkish reddish. Oh, that's dark. Okay, let's keep putting this on. That was darker than I thought. That's not what I was expecting. Too dark. Sorry about that. So now I think I'm just gonna blend it in. Blend it, yeah. That's actually really good. So we're gonna shape Evelyn's eyebrows and give them a really good shape. All right, stand still. Okay, so this is the finished look of Evelyn's face. So you guys can get a really good look at it, and I'm going to put my makeup on it. Hey guys, this is Evelyn, this is Lillian. Today we're going to do a makeup tutorial. Let's get to it. So first, we have this beautiful blush, and it's kind of messy, so you might want to see it. So first, gonna do this purplish pinkish, but it's not purple, but it's just like purple. Does it look dark? It's kind of dark. Okay. It's like tiggy. Okay. Yeah, but it's dark. I can tell my mom. I can tell by your face. No.
Oh.
Next we're gonna do the eyeshadow, right, and it's called butter eyeshadow. I'm just gonna pretend it's butter eyeshadow. So it's butter eyeshadow, and it looks like a diamond. So let's get to it. Okay, so we're gonna use this color, and it's gonna be like this color mixed up, because that looks really light. Wow, beautiful. Sissy, don't open your eyes. Don't laugh, or I'm gonna mess up it. I'm gonna do the butter lip gloss. Now we're gonna. Okay, now. So we're gonna use this on like pull out of like right here. Okay. So this is what. So this is me after, I guess. Wait. This is. I haven't seen me. Thanks for watching. Have